Hello everyone and welcome back to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video I'm going to buy web development courses for one of my friends, and those web development courses are the top courses on Udemy. So let's search for them. Here is one of the courses from Dr. Angela Yu, web development. Let's search here. This first course is from Dr. Angela Yu and this is what he wants. So let's open this and see what it has to offer. Here you can see this course has around 300,000 students and the rating is 4.7. So we are going to buy this course. So let's add this one to cart first. And now let's search for another course that is from Andre Nigoy. Okay, this is the course, the complete web developer in 2020, zero to mastery. Let's open this one as well. So this one also has around 144,000 students and the rating is 4.7 here as well. So let's add this one to cart as well. So now we have two courses added to the cart and now we will be checking out. So let's go to cart now, and here I need to click on checkout. These are the two courses we are buying. Okay, let's simply check out now. Here you can see the price is 720, and from here I'm going to select pay with net banking as usual if you have watched my previous videos. So let's see the banks that are available. I'll be selecting Axis Bank as always, and let's click on proceed. Click on login ID, and I'll just complete these settings and see you on the other side. Okay, the payment is done. Alright, we have successfully bought these courses. Here you can see the first course is the complete web developer in 2020, zero to mastery by Andre Nigoy, and the other one is the complete web development bootcamp by Dr. Angela Yu. So all he has to do is now click on start course and he will be able to learn from these courses. So if you are also not able to buy Udemy courses, let me know in comment section. I'll buy them for you and you can pay me back later on using your favorite local methods, that is UPI. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.